But I think something to keep in mind is you can create the right moment. So don't be afraid to create that moment of delight, even if it was 2 years ago that you installed their solar, or you haven't done pest control with them for a year because it's out of season or whatever. But you can create that moment. So even just going the extra mile next time, if it is a regular occurring service and maybe you think they're a little complacent because you've been mowing their lawn for a long time and it's every Friday and so they don't really care anymore, they're not as excited about it, but go the extra mile next time you go over, do something special. Again, swag, fun stickers, handwritten notes, those things are always good, but even just cleaning up a little extra, or I don't know, there are just things you can do, I think, in each service that go the extra mile.
You highlighted a couple things there, and I just want to drill down on it and be even more specific. I think at the point where you're engaging with the customer is a great opportunity to create these moments of delight, right? So, like you said, let's say you come in and you fix someone's toilet. Well, what if you clean up the entire bathroom and surprise them? You leave and it's cleaner than when you got there.